Do you know what's happening inside your body right now? In every cell, oxidative damage is occurring each second. Just like an apple turns brown when exposed to air, our bodies are slowly rusting from the inside. This process is one of the key causes of aging. But here's the shocking truth. This process can be significantly slowed down just by the foods on your plate. Scientists worldwide have discovered evidence that certain compounds in specific foods can actually slow down our body's aging clock. Today, we'll explore these remarkable foods that become more powerful at slowing aging over time. The truth about aging: what's happening inside our bodies. Every time you breathe, digest food, or even think, your body produces free radicals. These free radicals attack cell membranes, damage DNA, and alter protein structures. Scientists call this oxidative stress, which is like our body's interior slowly rusting away. Let me ask you a question. Have you recently felt more easily tired than when you were younger, or noticed your memory isn't what it used to be? Perhaps you've felt your skin losing elasticity or your joints becoming stiffer. All these phenomena are the accumulated results of cellular oxidative damage. According to Harvard Medical School research, this cellular damage begins in our 20s. But its effects typically become noticeable around our 40s. However, the amazing fact is that what we eat every day can significantly control the speed of this process. Antioxidant transcription factor, the key to activating our body's defense system. One of the most fascinating discoveries scientists have made recently is the role of a protein called NRF2. This protein, known as an antioxidant transcription factor, acts like a master switch that activates hundreds of protective genes within cells. What's truly remarkable is that compounds in certain foods can activate this NRF2, strengthening our body's natural defense mechanisms. It's like turning on an anti-aging program built into our bodies. Now, let's dive into these amazing anti-aging foods. They're special not just because they're rich in vitamins, but because they activate our cellular defense systems themselves. 1. Blueberries and dark berries, blue gems of anti-aging. Deeply colored berries like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are treasure troves of powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. According to a 10-year tracking study from Tufts University, groups consuming berries at least 3 times weekly showed cognitive decline delays of up to 2.5 years, compared to those who didn't. The most amazing part? The effects of berries strengthen over time. Researchers discovered that anthocyanins in berries cross the blood-brain barrier to directly protect brain cells and promote the production of neural growth factors that create new neural connections. Have you ever experienced forgetting where you put something or having trouble remembering names as you age? Consuming just a handful of blueberries daily can significantly slow this cognitive decline. Isn't that remarkable? 2. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables, green warriors of cell protection. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower contain a unique compound called sulforaphane. According to Johns Hopkins Medical School researchers, sulforaphane directly activates our body's NRF2 pathway, promoting the production of hundreds of antioxidant and detoxifying enzymes. What's truly fascinating here? When broccoli is finely chopped or lightly chewed, rather than simply blanched, sulforaphane production increases up to 5 times. This happens because when broccoli cells are broken, 2 different compounds meet to form sulforaphane. Here's a quiz for you: which method of eating broccoli has a stronger anti-aging effect? Cooked or raw? Think about it for a moment. I'll give you the answer a bit later. 3. Turmeric, the golden spice that calms inflammation. Turmeric, one of the world's most researched spices, is rich in a compound called curcumin. UCLA researchers have found that curcumin reduces chronic inflammation and inhibits the formation of amyloid plaques in the brain, which are closely linked to Alzheimer's disease. Even more impressive is the epidemiological research showing that certain regions in India with consistent turmeric consumption have Alzheimer's disease rates just 14 of the global average. This is no mere coincidence. What's the secret to maximizing turmeric's effects? Consume it with black pepper and some healthy fat. Research shows that piperine in pepper can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So adding a little pepper and coconut oil to your turmeric tea can greatly enhance its effectiveness. 4. Salmon and fatty fish ocean gifts for brain health. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s aren't just nutrients, but compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. In particular, two types of omega-3, EPA and DHA, are major components of brain cell membranes, essential for efficient signaling between brain cells. According to Rush Medical College research, elderly people who consumed fatty fish at least twice weekly showed a delay in gray matter reduction, averaging 14 years compared to those who didn't. This effect is like turning back the brain's aging clock by more than a decade. Are you afraid of declining concentration or memory as you age? Regular consumption of fatty fish alone can significantly slow this cognitive decline. 5. Green tea, the green elixir that keeps cells young. Green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants called catechins. In particular, epigallocatechin gallate EGCG, a type of catechin, has been shown to improve mitochondrial function and reduce DNA damage. According to Ohio State University research, people who regularly drink green tea maintain longer telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, and their length is an important indicator of biological aging. Simply put, longer telomeres mean younger cells. What's even more interesting is that green tea's effects accumulate over time. People who drank 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily for over 10 years maintained telomere lengths averaging 5 years younger than those who didn't. Now, for the answer to our broccoli quiz. Broccoli has the highest bioavailability of sulforaphane when lightly blanched or steamed. Eating it completely raw makes it difficult to digest, while cooking it too long destroys the enzymes, reducing sulforaphane production. 6. Olive oil, liquid gold from the Mediterranean. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, contains a special compound called oleocanthal. This compound shows anti-inflammatory effects similar to the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug ibuprofen. Unlike ibuprofen, however, it doesn't burden the stomach when consumed long-term. According to the large-scale PREDIMED study, in Spain, groups consuming 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily showed over 30% reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline compared to control groups. What's truly amazing here? Olive oil's effects strengthen over time. Among study participants, those who consistently consumed olive oil for over 5 years maintained longer telomeres and showed significantly reduced oxidative stress markers. Another question for you: how should olive oil be stored to best preserve its antioxidant properties? In the refrigerator? In a dark place at room temperature? Or on a sunny kitchen shelf? Think about it for a moment. 7. Fermented foods, the fountain of youth for gut microbiota. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics. Recently, scientists have discovered that gut microbiota plays a crucial role in the aging process. According to Stanford University research, healthy elderly people maintain gut microbiota diversity similar to young adults, while less healthy elderly people show significantly reduced gut microbiota diversity. The most interesting point is that regular consumption of various fermented foods alone can greatly increase gut microbiota diversity. Researchers reported that just 10 weeks of fermented food consumption significantly increased gut microbiota diversity and reduced inflammation markers. Now for the answer to our olive oil storage question. Olive oil oxidizes faster when exposed to light, heat, and air. Therefore, it's best stored in a dark glass bottle, in a dark place at room temperature. Storing it in the refrigerator can cause the olive oil to congeal, changing its taste and texture. The secret of anti-aging foods often overlooked. We've explored the main foods that slow aging. But that's not all. The real amazing secret lies in how these foods are combined and prepared. For example, did you know that cooking tomatoes with olive oil increases the absorption of lycopene, abundant in tomatoes, by up to 4 times? There's also research showing that leaving garlic cut for 10 minutes maximizes the formation of allicin, a powerful antioxidant. These synergistic effects of food combinations are much more powerful than consuming single foods. This is why traditional dietary patterns like the Mediterranean or Okinawan diets show health effects greater than the sum of their nutritional components.